In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable AMD Radeon software. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you have an AMD GPU, by right-clicking the desktop, you can open the Adrenal Edition AMD software. In here, you will be able to easily update your drivers, manage your games, manage the graphics settings, monitor settings, display settings, and much more. Now, some people don't like the software. They believe that it is bloat, or sometimes it might be opening up during gameplay, giving you problems, and you simply want to disable it altogether. Sadly, the answer is that there won't be a direct way to make it not be installed. You won't be able to directly uninstall it because it is essentially tied to your graphics drivers. But I'm still going to show you some methods to help you minimize the AMD Radeon software opening up and annoying you. So the very first thing that you should do is go over to the settings and then choose preferences. In here, disable any sort of overlay that you don't care about, primarily the in-game overlay. While this is useful if you are trying to monitor temperature, GPU, and CPU usage, at one point you won't have much use for it, so make sure that it is disabled if you don't care to monitor the specs of your PC. Afterwards, you can disable everything else: web browser, system tray menu, which usually makes it appear over here at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will then have options like advertisements, toast notifications, which can be very annoying, game adjustment tracking notifications, tutorials, and so on. As long as you disable all of these, AMD Radeon software should not disturb you while gaming or doing any other sort of activity. You can clearly notice that there is no option related to making sure that it doesn't open on startup or anything similar, because it will always run on the background, so it shouldn't disturb you. If it is opening as soon as you boot up your PC, it could be a bug, so try updating the AMD Radeon software, or if you are really desperate, you can try something like auto runs from Microsoft to make sure that it doesn't open on startup. However, that could introduce problems related to your graphics drivers. I hope I was able to help you on how to disable AMD Radeon software. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.